Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having multiple high impact news into the market today. So be cautious because it could be a high spread and high volatility into the smaller time frames, which is not ideal for the lower time frame trade. So let's get started now. So we are having news around 5:45 p.m., 6 p.m. and 6:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at these timings. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the previous month's high and we are having this BPR. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are uh, going to move down and then mitigate this unmitigated BPR. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the weeklies, there is nothing much clear, though we see that this FVG is being respected by the market, but the price had not left any FVG into the weekly levels, neither on the bearish side nor on the bullish side. So the bias is still not much clear. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that the price had taken these equal highs and we are failing to get a close above this range. So I'm anticipating now that most likely the price can move into the downward side. Apart from that, there is one more thing that the price had taken the previous day's high. Let me just zoom in a bit. So the previous day's high is 344. The previous day high is 1342 and today's high is 1344, which is 2 pips higher than the previous day's high. So it has already taken the previous day's high liquidity and moving into the downward side. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we can see is that the price is reacting from this zone, which is the extreme zone of the relative high, and it is moving into the downward side. Apart from that, what we can see is that there is no FVG left even in this leg, while we are witnessing 4-hour FVG, which was disrespected by the market. But still, we can see that there is FVG on the bearish side but not on the bullish side. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, we can see FVG into the prices, but this FVG is much more relevant as compared to this one. So this will be the area of my interest where I would like to see the market to go, and then we are going to react into the either side. So let's move to the 15 minutes to define our bias. So I'm anticipating now that most likely the price had already taken the previous day's high. So Asia session will be the strong high for the market right now. And I'm anticipating that most likely we're going to go down and take this low of the 15 minutes. And most likely, I would like this low to be swept. Not the price should not get a close below the 15 minutes candle, which is, I want to picturize it. So I'm anticipating that most likely into the London session, if we are going to take liquidity over here, then move into the upside direction, take some liquidity, and then move into the downward side. I'll be anticipating that if we are going to move into the higher direction, the price should sweep this area and then move into the higher direction. And if we get a close uh, below the structure, then most likely this all move will be bearish after this is, I'm going to mess this up. Let's delete it. So if we are going to fail this structure and get a close below it, most likely this order block will be disrespected by the market and we are going to go all the way down. and this whole leg will be invalidated. So this is pretty much it. And do write me into the comments that what are your trade ideas for today. Apart from that, we are having this extreme POI left into the market, which is unmitigated, and also with respect of the order flow. So this will be the area from where I would like to see the price to move into the higher side. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or you want to suggest something. So this is pretty much it. Uh, keep trading and keep learning. Thank you for watching.